Good morning from Cecina. We're 10 days in on a 20-day sit, and we've been looking after Charlie, a dream to look after, a fluffy dream, but a dream all the same. This morning after our walk around the campo, we're going to head to the salt lake and see the flamingos, head off to the markets and have a tour around there and see what we can see and what we can eat. And then we're going to head for a bit more touring around Murcia. Come and join us. The urbanisation in Cesena is really very interesting. Walking around in the morning, saying hello to everyone, it's a little bit like the United Nations of Benetton. We've got a lot of Europeans here, Northern Europeans escaping the northern winter. But you've got a standing population as well of the Spanish, and there are Romanians here. A lot of Indians doing business here with the restaurants and some of the retail, and doing quite well, it seems. Quite an interesting place. The architecture reflects that too. So the urbanisation is quite old. So there's some very old houses. The original architecture is reminiscent of Spanish architecture. Again, people looking for what they dream is what Spain is. And now the architecture is quite modern. Or it's an ever-changing scene. Quite an interesting place. I hope you've enjoyed our exploration around Murcia, and we'll see you in the next video.